Japanese cheesecake, but we make a high protein, low calorie. All right. Gotta get every little drip. This viral Japanese cheesecake that's going all over the internet look good as a mug. Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to make a high protein Japanese cheesecake. If you guys like this type of content, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, boo. Like this video and I will share more recipes with you guys. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys. So y'all, we about to get up in this. Check 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Y'all, we about to make this Japanese cheesecake, but we make a high protein, low calorie. All right. So first and foremost, we're going to start off with the Greek yogurt. I got regular non-fat Greek yogurt. I've seen a lot of videos, people doing regular fat or ones with they got this the flavor in there already, like the vanilla. But this is gonna be low calorie, period. So we're doing non-fat Greek yogurt, okay? Because in 1 cup is 100 calories and 17 grams of protein. We gotta get our protein, y'all. We got protein goals. This is a fresh, new container of Greek yogurt. Now, mind you, Greek yogurt by itself doesn't have a taste. It's bland as food. So we're gonna be sweetening up. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna be sweetening up. Lord Jesus, I should have got a napkin. All right, so we're gonna weigh out. We're gonna do 8 ounces of Greek yogurt, which is a cup. So we're gonna do a cup of Greek yogurt. So I got my bowl here. Lord, y'all, let me get a napkin. Give me a second, boo. Back. All right, got my napkin. All right, so we're gonna do a cup of Greek yogurt. Again, non-fat. We're gonna weigh out 8 ounces of Greek yogurt, which is a cup of Greek yogurt. So what we're going to do is use our measuring scale. If you guys want to learn how to use it, comment below scale, and I will show you guys how to use it. I do one-on-one coaching as well. Teach my beautiful ladies how to lose weight, build muscle, and build some energy by doing custom meal plans and workouts. Link below. Do 8 ounces of Greek yogurt. 8 ounces of Greek yogurt. So let's go ahead and scoop it on out. Let me show y'all the texture of the Greek yogurt just in case y'all want to see. This is what regular Greek yogurt look like, nice and creamy. So we're gonna do 8 ounces. Oh shit! I'm over here making the goddamn mess, wasting food. Go ahead and scoop out 8 ounces. 8 ounces. I dropped a little bit of it, so do about a good 9. All right, so I got that in there. Gotta get every little drip. So now that's in there. Now I'm gonna show you what the bowl look like. This regular plain Greek yogurt. Looks beautiful. All right, so now this is the thing I'm gonna add. Like I said, it is plain Greek yogurt. It ain't got no damn taste at all. I mean, if you want a plain, that's fine. But I love me a little sugar, but low calorie sugar. So what I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some 0 calorie sweetener. Food Line brand. You can get any brand you want. Zoom Line, Food Line. Look, I know y'all like, Jessica, aspartame. It's okay. A little bit of chemicals here and there ain't gonna kill you. But no, I'm playing. Like a little bit of aspartame, a little bit of what is the other one called? Equal. It's fine. As long as you don't abuse it. Don't use too much. Don't use it like a whole 6, 7 packs of these a day. I barely use these. But if you want to do a natural sweetener, you can definitely do monk fruit or stevia. Some people say it got a little aftertaste. Maybe it do, but you'll get used to the taste. All right, I'm using 3 because like I said, I like it sweet. Don't judge me. I said I like it sweet now. All right, so now we gotta mix this up. Yeah, I'm doing a little twist to this Japanese cheesecake. I know they don't add nothing because, like I said, with the Greek yogurt they be using on the internet, they using like already sweetened Greek yogurt. So I'm basically doing the same thing but adding my own, but it's low calorie. I get every little bit. All right. Now we got that. Now we gotta make it taste like cheesecake, right? Right. So we're gonna use some Jello cheesecake mix. Jello cheesecake mix. You can purchase this anywhere, but I purchased this at, y'all think I'm gonna say Food Line. Nah, I purchased at Walmart. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. Well, actually, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon because I don't want to be too sweet. We got think. Should I do 2 or 1? Let me see. Hold on. Ain't that sweet? All right, I'm gonna do about 2, and y'all measure y'all's. I know how to do this because I've been meal prepper all my life. So I'm gonna do about a good 1 tablespoon. About out. There we go. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Doesn't matter how sweet you want it. If you want to do an extra little bit of sweetness, do 2. I just did 1 just to taste, just a little bit of the taste. All right. So 1 tablespoon of Jello cheesecake. Back in there. Now we're gonna mix this on up. Mix it on up. I'm gonna show y'all how to mix it. That's how you mix it. Y'all like, Jazz, I know how to mix a damn yogurt. What you talking about? Girl, you crazy. Mixing that right on up. All right. Now we got that mixed on up. We're gonna make this pretty, so I'm gonna smooth it out a little bit. I'm gonna smooth it out. Yeah. Oh, just in case you guys wondering how many calories is this? For a half a pack, which we did not use a half a pack, obviously, is 90 calories. So we probably use like 5 calories, which ain't nothing. All right, the best part, y'all, I'm excited about this part. Y'all, mini Nilla wafers. Look at that. Now, I know on the viral Japanese cheesecake, they use Nabiscoff. Oh, it's a Biscoff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The cookies y'all get on the airplane. Biscoff. That's what it is. Biscoff. I said Nabisco. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Those are amazing. They are so good, but they're higher in calories. But for these bad boys, these mini Nillas, not the big ones, get the mini Nillas. 20 wafers is 140 calories. 140 calories. Look at that. Look at that. And guess how many we're going to use? 20. I sure am. I love me some Nillas. Shoot, we're going to use this whole damn box. Oh my God. Woo! This smells amazing. Oh my God. Y'all, I haven't had these in forever. Look at this. Oh my God. Look how beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do, when I saw it, they actually put it down like this, like submerge it in the yogurt. Do me, baby. So we're going to put it right on down in there. We're going to submerge. We're going to do 20. We're going to do 20. All right, while I'm doing this, we're going to check. You know what? Let me count these because I'm going to do more than 20 while I'm talking to y'all. So I'm going to put some of these on my little plate right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? Messing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we got a 20 here, so I'm gonna put it in here. But yes, you guys, I am so excited about making this because I don't know about y'all, but I got a sweet tooth like a mother. And I be snagging all the time, especially at night. When you about to watch your shows and everything. I be watching baddies, y'all. Y'all know what baddies is? Baddies be on point, y'all. I love me some baddies or some Pop Balloon Fire Love. Those some good shows. So while I be watching those, y'all, I be eating something good. And I be after my meal, I gotta have a sweet treat. And after my main meal, I said, what sweet treat I'ma have? And I just be eating some sweets, y'all. But now that we got this modified high protein Japanese cheesecake, we gonna be all right. And we got protein goals because no clothes season coming up. No clothes. Who want to wear clothes? Not me. Y'all, when I mean no clothes, I mean like shorts and stuff. Y'all know what I mean. I ain't trying to go to jail. All right. So now we got this submerged up in here. Oh my God, y'all. This looks so pretty. Woo-wee. Let me show y'all this. Oh my God. Oh my God. That looks amazing. So that's it. And guess what? Now we gotta wait, which sucks. I gotta see y'all the next day, 24 hours, because this has to sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And I see y'all how the result gonna be. Okay. All right, you guys, it is the next day, and we took out our Japanese cheesecake, and we're gonna open up and see what it looks like before we put the toppings on there. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. It looks so pretty. Incredible. Wow. Japanese cheesecake smells incredible. Before we put the toppings on there. All right, now I already rinsed my strawberries. So what we're gonna do? No, we gotta put the whipped cream on there first, Jazz. What we doing? So we're gonna put some Cool Whip on there. Some Cool Whip. I got this zero sugar Cool Whip to put right on top of there. Um, Again, you can put regular Cool Whip if you want, but this is a low calorie, high protein Japanese cheesecake. Ooh, it smells incredible. Look at that beautifulness. Wow. All right, so we're gonna put the Cool Whip right on top of this. We're gonna lay that right on top. Lay it right on top. So this is how it looks. It's kind of covered up most of the not graham cracker. What is it? The little cookies on top. So that's how it looks. All right, so now what we're gonna do is put the strawberries on top. Ooh, some fresh strawberries. I already rinsed it. Look how red and gorgeous this is. So pretty. All right, so we're gonna cut this. Oh, it's all right. It's a little bit cool. Well, let's try to rinse this off. All right, so I'm gonna cut it like this. Now, I know I'm making a mess, but you can actually pre-plan this and cut it up already and put it in a bowl. And you can put any berries you want, pre-cut it, and then put it on top. At least use a regular knife instead of a butter knife. But this is how it looks when I put the strawberries on top. I'm excited. So excited to try it. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Y'all so nervous. All right. I hope I got a little bit of the cookie. Damn. Where the cookie at? All right, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Oh, here's a cookie. Okay. That tastes good. So you really can't really see the cookie because it's kind of mushed in there. But it's in there. Because I taste it. I taste it. Y'all see a little bit of it? You see it? I'm trying Japanese cheesecake. Come on with it. Mmm. It is so good. Bad. You gotta try this Japanese cheesecake, high protein. Vanilla wafers, those little things. I put that, Greek yogurt, and strawberries. And this is a high protein Japanese cheesecake. Okay. You wanna try it on here? You wanna come down? Okay. Say hi.
What's up, y'all?
All right, give me an honest opinion. It's so good.
Okay, not bad.
Ain't that bad. It ain't good. I use Greek.
Where's the?
It's in
it right here.
Yeah, you see it? It's like submerged in the Greek yogurt. Yeah. It's good.
Obviously, I'm eating 2 or 3 times. It is.
Yeah, it's good, y'all. You gotta try it. Y'all gotta try it. Thumbs
Okay.
up, y'all. I'm saying, look, I'm not even capping. This junk is good. Thank you. Mmm.
Save me some.
No, you heard that? Save him some. I might. I don't play. Thank you. This is so good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it's so good, y'all. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, y'all, and like this video if y'all want me more content like that. Look at that. Wow. Incredible. Let me see if I got a little bit more cookie right there. Y'all see that cookie? Submerged in the high protein Greek yogurt. High protein Japanese cheesecake, y'all. Try this. Try this, okay? Again, subscribe and like this video. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Might say him soon. But until next time, y'all, I'll see you on the next video, okay? Peace.